What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Lowe's Reaper Band, the guitar version. Alright, you guys, so I am very excited to get into this unboxing. I have a new mic setup and a new area where I can film these videos. Hopefully it's working. Hopefully you guys are getting a lot more light over here and the sound sounds better. I think it'll sound good. So yeah. Let's get right into this. This thing is $200 and it is a techie design prop. What's cool about this prop is, sorry about that. Actually, I should probably take this off. All right, so what's good about that is you can connect any kind of sound you want to it, so it'll play your own music, which is really, really cool. I've never really seen anything like this before, so I'm very excited to get into this. I'm probably going to be using it for an upcoming project that I will reveal at a later date. So yeah, let's get this open. It's going to be one of those slide out boxes. And, oh, yeah. And since it is techie, I am 100% expecting everything to be very, very tied in there. So, yeah. Here we go. Let's try to slide this thing out. Okay. Here he is. Everything is in the box and all zip tied in. So, let's unbox them. Oh, dang. Did I just do that? Okay. These scissors just broke on me. Okay, so the first thing it looks like it's coming out is part of the guitar and one of the hands. So this is it right here. I think it's pretty cool. I love how he's holding it already. Yeah, just a really cool piece. I really love the guitar aspect of it. It really is a cool prop. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on it this year. Just some support poles right here, B and C. So that will come in handy when we're setting them up. I'm not sure what that is. For store setup only. Is this a store display or something? So we do have actual instructions right here. Probably won't need them today, but maybe it comes with 4 alkaline batteries, which is pretty cool. Maybe this was supposed to be a store display. I have no idea. I don't know why it's looking all the store display-y. More support poles. This guy is pretty tall. I believe he's about 6 feet. I don't know if it says it anywhere on there. Okay, this looks like the kind of torso piece with the control box, which has all the Bluetooth stuff. So that is nice. So the control box has Bluetooth leader, demo, off, on, and follower. But we're going to be using the leader option today because I don't have the drummer. Yep, so here it is. It says Techie right on the back. Haven't seen something like that for a while, but that is cool. Not sure what this is. Probably some kind of connection. But yeah, that is a cool looking guitar. Very excited to put that together. Okay, so here is the guy. Nothing really amazing about him. He looks almost similar to Blackheart from Spirit Halloween, his face. And his clothing looks basically identical to Harvester of Souls from Spirit Halloween. So yeah, but his motion is pretty cool. He like bops his head. You guys will see that a little bit later. Okay, here's the hip loop, very similar to like what we've seen before. Once again. And our final thing is the bass. He does have some pretty cool supports on the bass. Oh, how did I almost forget this? With literally every unboxing, we have the 6-volt 2-amp DC adapter. All right, let's get started. right, guys. I think he's all ready to go. I got him all wired up. Let's plug him in. There we go. I'm not using Bluetooth, I'm just using the regular thing.
I love Halloween. Put another tree to the tree bag, baby. I love Halloween. Come on, it's your time to dance with me. You better fear it'll be good. I saw you standing there in the graveyard scene. It must have been around Halloween.